You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. It does confuse a lot of people. Many are wondering how to pronounce it. Well, if you want to learn more confusing words and vocabulary in English, stay tuned. One way, one pronunciation in English that is correct. British English and American pronunciations are similar. Sly, yes, no, it's not Sly unless it's an acronym, in which case can be said SLY. Sly, how to pronounce Sly, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.